Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I shape this coleslaw salad recipe. So this is my cabbage and the carrots. So I'll just get rid of the back. It has already been properly washed. So I'll cut it into two parts. And I'm just going to cut it with my potato peeler. So now I'm also going to be using knife. So you can use both to cut the cabbage. So I'm just going to continue the cutting until I am done cutting. For those of you always returning to watch my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing. May the good Lord bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family. So now I'll just add it to my plate. Feel free to check out my channel for other videos that you might find helpful. So now I'm going to grate the carrot that I am going to be using. Check my video out for other salad recipe that you might be interested on. So I added it to the cabbage that is already diced, so I'll just give it a mix. So now I'll add 3 spoons of mayonnaise. So now I'm going to mix properly. Help me to share this recipe, guys. It's a simple salad recipe. You can use it to eat chicken, you can use it to eat jollof rice, you can use it to eat fried rice, you can also eat it like that. It is good and healthy. So I'll serve it now and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Bye. Enjoy.